This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge cells in Google Sheets. Here I have two duplicate tables with some duplicate information. Let's do that by giving each of these tables a title. So I'm going to call this table Secret Pal. Then I'm going to enlarge the font. I'm going to change it to 50. Now notice that you can't even see the font. So what you would need to do is you need to lengthen or make the row bigger so you can see the word. Now let's suppose that you want the word Secret Pal to be centered on top of the table. Currently it's on the left side. You can't really do that because it's in cell B2 and it's stuck on that left side of the table. So the remedy to this is to merge cells B2 through E2. So in order to merge the cell, what you do is you highlight the cells that you want to merge, then you click on Format, then you click on Merge Cells. You can either select Merge All or you can select Merge Horizontally. And when you do that, now all of this is one cell, and from there you can change the alignment to your liking. So if I want this to be centered, I click on the alignment and then I select centered, and now Secret Pal is centered on top of the table. Now let's suppose I want to, in this table, have Secret Pal appear vertically on the side of the table. What I would do here is type the word Secret Pal, and I'm going to go ahead and format that to be bold, then make the font 50. And as you can see, not only can you not see the word Secret Pal, but it messes up that bottom row. So the first thing that you need to do is change this to vertical alignment. Go up to the Format menu, click Text Rotation, and then select the way that you want the letters to appear. I want the letters appearing up, so I'm going to select that, and notice that the cells are messed up even more. So if I want this to look more visually appealing, I'm just going to highlight all of the cells in that column, and then I'm going to go to Format, click Merge Cells, and then click Merge Vertically. When I do that, the table itself is restored and my title appears as one cell to the left. And from there, you can work on the alignment. You can have it centered. So this works with the horizontal alignment. So if you want your letters in the center of the cell, you can do that. And then you can also work on changing the vertical alignment, whether you want it aligned to the top of the cell, the bottom, or the middle. So this video shows you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.